Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can back up photos on OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now, the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to your Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and open it and then you're going to be right here in this window. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, and right here you're going to find OneDrive. So right now, go to the OneDrive folder and then right click on it. Once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of these options. Here, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, open a new window, pin to quick access, and so on. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find these three options. Always keep on this device, free of space, and lastly, right here, you're going to find OneDrive. So right now, go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then right here, you're going to find the option to view it online. Here, you're going to find settings, and lastly, right here, you're going to find folder color. So right now, go ahead and click on settings, and then this will take you to this window right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find sync and backup, accounts, notifications, and lastly about. So basically guys, right now go ahead and click on sync and backup, and then right here you're going to find manage backup. As you can see guys right here, you're going to find manage backup important PC folders to OneDrive. Backup your desktop, documents, and pictures folder to OneDrive so they're protected and available on other devices. So right now, go ahead and click on Manage Backup. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this window. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find backup folders on this PC. So here, make sure you enable backup for pictures. And then once you do that, click on Save Changes, and then you're good to go. So this is us, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.